know how much the government is spending on public welfare initiatives like improvement in primary education, easy access to healthcare facilities, protection of women and children? The government, both at the union and state levels, has been spending on such initiatives by implementing various schemes and programs in different areas. These schemes are crucial in the work of the government, but even more importantly, they are pertinent in improving the lives of the people. However, budget-related information of such schemes is often difficult to find in the public domain. To address this issue, a schemes dashboard has been developed and integrated on the Open Budgets India OBI portal. Let's explore what all this dashboard has to offer. The schemes dashboard is a consolidation of different individual scheme dashboards. It covers some of the major schemes of the union government as well as select schemes of some state governments. You need to choose if you wish to explore the central scheme or state schemes. Let's start with the central schemes. You can simply click on the name of the scheme that you want to explore and you will be directed to the dashboard of the selected scheme. Let's take an example of the National Health Mission. The dashboard provides a brief description of the scheme covering its features, components, geographical coverage, type of scheme, etc. The dashboard provides state-wise information on schemes for various fiscal indicators like the budget proposed by the state, the budget approved, opening balance, and so on. These indicators have been provided to give a better understanding of the scheme functioning. Not sure about what these indicators imply? Don't worry. Simply click on View Editorial Notes and clear your doubts. These indicators differ from scheme to scheme depending upon various factors like scheme components, availability of budget data, and so forth. You can select the fiscal indicator for which you want the data. Suppose you want to see the extent of funds utilized against budget proposed by some or all states. You can choose the indicator here. By clicking on Compare States, one can compare how different states have performed on the selected fiscal indicator. It further gives an option to select the states for which visualization is required. You can choose as many states as you want. Are you interested in a map view? You can generate such a visualization by clicking on the tab. Not only this, you can also choose the financial year for which you want to generate such a visualization. You can even browse through the map in order to get the actual figures for each state and UT. There is also an option to get the data for all the states and UTs for the selected fiscal indicator in a tabular format for various years by going to the Table tab. All these data tables and visualizations are downloadable. The visualization can be shared on social media platforms, that is Facebook and Twitter, directly from here. A section on recent developments is also available on the dashboard. It provides the latest updates on the scheme. Now, let's explore state schemes. You need to select the state you are interested in. Let's take an example of Andhra Pradesh. Click on the tab. You will find a list of state schemes on the left panel. You need to select the scheme for which you want data. From the tabs above, you can select if you need data on budget estimates, revised estimates, or actuals. Here we have selected YSR interest-free loans to farmers as scheme and revised estimate as the data point. Further, we can select if we want bar graph, line chart, or table view. Like central schemes, data tables and visualizations here are also downloadable and can be shared on the selected social media platforms. Moreover, you can find out more about the portal and how to use it by visiting the section called the OBI platform. Thank you for watching this video.